Hi there. Today I'm gonna tell you how can you change the background of your laptop and the desktop. Hi, my name is Pramod and welcome to my channel. Today I want firstly we'll go and click the right click of our mouse button and we'll go to the personalization and we'll select the personalization and just a second we'll wait and we'll see the this side we can see the background. There is a background, there will be and we'll click. If it's not selected then we'll select the background and then we'll come to this side and here you can see the screen is this side and in the below you will see the background and there is a, if you click on this there is already selected picture and there is a three things: solid, color and slide so you can see that all those three. So we'll select first in the picture. We'll see how can it change the in this we can see how there will already there is some picture is there. So in this you can see select the custom picture which you want to be on the on the screen. So there is already some picture, so you can select from this as well, and otherwise you can select click on the browser and you can browse the specific picture which you like to be on your screen. So we'll click on the browser and now you can select any image. I am selecting this is my friend picture, so I am selecting this and click here and now you can see just a second after just a second your screen of image will be changed. My system is somehow slow, so that's why it's taking a time. You can change within a second, it will change. So just take a patience and it will change automatically. Now you can see the image is changed, and if you want to change which is present your image, you can select that image also, and that will be also it will be changed the image which is available here. So you can select that also and that will be changed to your screen, that will appear on your screen, so that you can see here that is appeared. Now we will go on the solid color. So we'll click on this solid color and then we will see there will be a different color that from that we can select that any color and we'll change the background of our screen. So here you can see the some color is there. From that you can select any color from you can select. So I am selecting any color from this all this there is different color. I am selecting this color and you can see the background is changed. If you want to see, then you can minimize the your setting and then you can see in the background it's changed or not. So I will minimize it and then I will show you how it's changing. Now you can see the background is changed, and then again back we will go to that setting and we will see another. If you want to any from this whatever the color is here, if you didn't like this from this, so you can go into the custom color below. You can select from there custom color and you can whatever the color if you like from there, from that color you can make yourself which we like better. So you can click here on the plus button and then we'll see which color you like, that you can do yourself. Next we will see the slide show. Will show the slide show, and here you can see below is some image already folder is selected, so you can see the folder is already selected. So from that what happening in this, you can select the folder and that inside the folder whatever the image is there, that image will be automatically one by one that will be changes in your screen, that will be changing on your screen. So what we can do, so we can go in the browser and we select the browser, and from that we'll create the already I have created the folder where there is some images. So I will select from folder, and from that if you select any from this folder wherever you have an image you already collected, so select that folder. I am selecting this folder, so I selected this folder and you can see there is a folder came out, and now after just a second after and the screen picture will be changed. So see whatever was the image in the folder, that image will become, and then this is the image of the Carrie Minati, you can see, and automatically all the picture will be changed whatever will be in the in that folder. So now here is the timing, already selected 1 minute. So what will happen this, whatever the image inside the folder is there, that all folder all image will be changed within a minute. Okay, so you can select according to your timing, what the timing you want. If you have a more picture, so you can select the you can extend the time of that, and if you have a less picture, so you can do that also. You can select all the timing is there, and according to the time, see whatever the image inside their folder. So if you select the 1 minute, so all the image will be changed within a minute. So like that. If you have a less image, so it will take the more time to change. If you have a more image, so it will take the fast and fast it will be changed. Like that, it according to this timing you can change that. Now we'll come down and we'll see the choose the fit. What happening in this, if you select the fit fill is there, so if you select the already fill is there, so what happening in this, if you select the fill, so whatever the size of your image is there, so that will be cover all the screen, and that will appear in the all of your screen. There is a different, there is a fit. So if you select the fit like that, so that what happening will whatever the size of your image is there, so that much part of your screen only it will be displayed, and other will be different color, it will be black or whatever your background is there, according to that will be set. So you can try all those things is there, many color title is there, and the center is there, all things is there. You can try whatever you like best, you just try, and which is better for you, which you like most, just select that. And hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you are new in this channel, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want anything, if you are facing any problem, please let me know in the comment down below. And I like this, so I will change this to for myself. And please, if you have any doubt, any problem, please let me down in the comment below. And as much as you please share this video with your friend, and recommend if you have any query further, if you have any query further, so please let me down in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and have a good day.